Hello, in this video I'm gonna try to help you fix the issue with Smart Camera C301 by Xiaomi not being able to connect with your phone. So if you for instance try to scan for the camera and it doesn't work, I mean in my case it doesn't work because it is actually turned off. As you can see, there is no cable, there is no power provided for the camera. But in your case, if it is connected, then what you can do is press over here this text, couldn't find the device, try to connect manually, and after that, if you tap on this text, you should be able to see this information that you need to connect to the device's Wi-Fi. So you can press set Wi-Fi, you will jump to the Wi-Fi settings, and you need to connect to the Wi-Fi that will be created by the camera. In my case, it is not visible right now, but there will be the name that is similar to the one that you will see on the screen. So let me actually go back to the same menu in order to show you how it looks like, or how the name looks like. And over here we have the example, so it should be MXIAA and a G, something like that, and the camera C301 MIAP and some numbers after that. And you need to simply find this connection in the Wi-Fi settings, connect to it, and then go back to the Xiaomi app, the Xiaomi Home app, and you should be able to continue with scanning. Of course, what you can do besides that is to reset the camera. So over here above the power port, we have the reset button over here. You want to press and hold it for 3 seconds until you actually hear the information that the camera is reset, or that has been reset successfully. And after that time, you should be able to just simply go back into the app and try to scan again in order to connect. If you have Wi-Fi issues, then of course you want to make sure that the router is actually on, that the password is correct. If not, then reset the router, and that's pretty much it. Remember that the camera needs to be connected to the power adapter. So over here, of course, we have the USB port. This is also the power port, of course. You want to connect, plug it in order to turn on the camera. Once the camera is actually turned on, once it is working, then you should be able to scan the QR code over here that you have at the bottom, and you should have no issues at all with connecting the Xiaomi Smart Camera to your phone. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!